In this video, we will take a look at how we can get access to MidJourney bot in Discord. So for that, first of all, we need to open our preferred browser and just search for MidJourney. So we'll just type here MidJourney and we will just search for it, and you will get this first result for midjourney.com. It says MidJourney is an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thoughts and expanding the imagination powers of human species. And you can see further details related to it, and we can just click on this particular link and you will get redirected to this particular page where we can join this beta. And you can see we can also sign in, we can click on get started and things like that. So on this page, you will just click on get started and you will be redirected to this quick start guide, and you can just go through this entire guide and how we can get access to this MidJourney bot. So you can see, create your first image. So first of all, to get access to MidJourney bot, what we need to do is, so we just need to click on join the beta and it will redirect us to the MidJourney server, which is a Discord server. You can see you have been invited to MidJourney, and you can see already 5 lakh people are online in this particular server of MidJourney, and in total there are more than 9 million members in this particular MidJourney server. So if you already have a Discord account, you can just join this particular server directly. So if you have a Discord account, you can just log in, and after that it will just add you into that server. But right now I have not logged in with my account. I will just give it a random name. So we will just add the username as AI_art, and we will just click on continue. We will just try to verify this by just filling up this captcha. And after that we are good to go. So it will just open the Discord with our MidJourney channel. So you can see it is asking for some details over here. So I will just add some random details. So if you already have your account, it will not ask you much details related to this. So if you already have your Discord account, you are good to go. So for now, I am not going to be creating the full account. We will just get access to the MidJourney server. So you can see here is the server, which is the MidJourney server, and you can see that we are in the server. You can see there are different channels that are available over here. You can see announcements, status, rules, FAQs, getting started, welcome, and this is the highlight. You can see here are some generated image that it has created using MidJourney bot, and you can see here is some details related to MidJourney, the official server for MidJourney, a text to image AI where your imagination is the only limit. So you can see, and after that we can just click on events. You can see what are the events that is happening in the server. You can click on announcements, so you will get access to any announcement, latest news related to MidJourney bot. After that, there is status of this MidJourney bot. If it is not working sometime, so they will just keep you updated over here. After that, there are different rules and things like that. So you can just go through this entire rules for creating different AI art, and what is the term and service of use of that particular AI generated art. You can click on FAQs where you will get answers to frequently asked questions. After that, we can just click on get started. You will get how to get started with this MidJourney bot and create some AI generated art. After that, there is also a channel for welcoming the new users. So you can just go through it and explore it. And you can see the trial support is also available over here. So if you are on the trial period, so you can get the support from this particular channel. So you can see there are newcomers room. There are multiple newbie rooms that are been created for the users who are newbies in the server. So you can just go through it. And over there, you can see that people who are just signing up to MidJourney are creating multiple arts. So you can see here are multiple arts that they are creating. You can see similarly there are multiple rooms that are available that we can join and just create our AI art with our free credits that it provides. So basically MidJourney provides us with like 25 free credits, so we can create up to 25 images for free. And after that we just need to move to a paid plan of MidJourney. So you can just go through the entire newbie rooms and see things like that. You can also go to the discussion chat where we can discuss things related to MidJourney with other people who are present in this particular server. After that, we can go to the philosophy room and discuss the philosophy related to the AI generated art. We can click on prompt chat where we can get different prompts from other users and suggestions for creating some particular AI art. We can also go to the off-topic room where we can discuss things that are not related to AI art or MidJourney. After that, we also have the feedback room where we can give feedback related to the AI generated art with the help of MidJourney. So if you have any feedback related to it, you can just provide that. And there are multiple channels that are available over here. So you can just go through it and you will get a better idea of what all things are available over here. And some of the rooms are only available for the people who are subscribed to the MidJourney paid plan. So you just need to go through it. And if you think that it will be useful for you, so you can just upgrade to the paid plan of MidJourney bot. So we will discuss about the paid plans in some other videos. So I think that was it for this particular video on how to get access to MidJourney bot. So this is how you can join the MidJourney server and get access to the MidJourney bot. So by going to this newbie room, so you can just create any AI art and provide some prompt, and MidJourney bot will generate some AI art for you. So this is how you can use that. So in the next video, we will try to create some AI generated art with the help of these newbie rooms that are available for us. So without further ado, let's move to the next video of our course.